About to go shred some curvy roads with this crazy man on the dirt bike in front of me. Should be lots of fun. Well, this is where we're at a bit of a disadvantage. Dirt bike man has already boosted down the road. In fact, you can see him up there in the distance kicking up some dust. So, but yeah, just at the end of this dirt road, which didn't used to be dirt, it used to be paved, but the dirt here is honestly way better than what the pavement was, because it was basically an off-road trail at the state it was in. So, but yeah, at the end of this dirt trail up here, we're gonna reach the little curvy road, and then hopefully they didn't make that one dirt, and we'll have a little bit of fun. You never realize how long a road is until they change it from pavement to gravel. I also just washed this the other day, so hopefully it's not getting too dirty. Nissan build quality. Atta baby. Here we are. Good old Lake McMurtry curvy road. I only have one hand, so I don't think I'm gonna film this one, but we'll get one eventually. Yeah, this area is definitely not the part to go fast. No. Bad surface. Once the surface changes, it's pretty good. Yeah. Where did it go? Squirrel. Now we have the leisurely drive down the curvy road. Every drive is leisurely. That's why. That turbo. First time I've hit fourth gear in about 20 minutes. I should have filmed the other one like this, like higher up. Yeah, it'll be fine. It shows the road a whole lot better.
if you haven't driven that in a while, that and this one will get you.
Well, that concludes our Curvy Road shenanigans. The other 2 runs I did was with that guy, who is an absolute nutcase on a dirt bike. Dude is like shredding corners as fast as I am on knobby, like off-road tires, which is just absolutely ridiculous, but very, very fun regardless. And hey, who said 350Zs weren't economical? All that shredding, still getting about 17 miles a gallon, air quotes. But yeah, we're just gonna cruise back through here, and then I'm not going back down the dirt road, so we're gonna take the pavement route that's slightly longer, but that pretty much concludes our shenanigans out here, so. This pavement route back is like basically a rally stage. I probably would have just been better off to stick with the dirt road. Ah, here we go. Real pavement now, baby. Oh, that's nice. Hopefully there's no more crater-sized potholes in this road, but it's looking pretty smooth. Oklahoma is honestly mad underrated for like its beauty, especially by people that like live here, because it's like, oh, there's nothing here, it's not even cool. In the future, I'm definitely investing in a GoPro so I can like actually film like from a POV all the cool stuff, but I don't think we did too bad today. Human DRS activated. Yeah, overall, the trip to Lake Mexico to shred the Curvy Road was a pretty good one. I haven't actually driven out there in quite a minute, so my first run through, I was like, oh shoot, I got a break here, and there's a turn there, and that sort of stuff. But yeah, it was real fun. I kept it safe, nobody got hurt, luckily. Going in doing that just makes me want to take this thing to a track even more, because I've still yet to do that, but maybe stay tuned for that in the future. Never know. Yeah, big shout out to Random Dirt Bike Man. He's an absolute menace. Hey, shout out to the car too for taking all the abuse and not sending me into a tree. That was pretty cool. And that right there is the most fun way to burn a quarter of a tank of gas. All right, let's assess the damage here. So, shut up. Oh. As a precursor, the car was clean before I went out. Let's see if we collected any bug friends. Really not too bad. Not too bad at all. But I know what's going to be brutal is the backside of the car after we hit that dirt road. Which, I mean, you can't really tell on video, but up close, she's a little dirty for sure. But overall, great shred session.